Howdy everybody, quick update on the Packard. Got the engine back from the machine shop. I think I mentioned that on the last one. Got the transmission on. This is, when you put one of these together, you got to put the bell housing on first. Bolts on the inside, and then you put the flywheel on, and then you can put the clutch and pressure plate on. I left the pressure plate loose. Well, before you do that, you got to put this fork in there, and then you put the pressure plate on, and the throwout bearing. Let's see if I can get up in there and take a peek at it. And that little spring right there, that was the last thing I put on. Boy, that was a little bit of a chore. But anyway, I think that's the way it goes. And of course you torque all these things down. One of these bolts broke off on me on the pressure plate, and believe it or not, I was able to drill it out and get it easy out, brought it out. I said a few choice words when that happened. I didn't expect that, because I wasn't really tightening them up real tight, you know. But I'm going to put the front engine mount on, and the transmission mounts, and then we'll put it in there. I think I'm going to leave the fuel pump and stuff off till I get it, you know, between the frame rails. So things are going along pretty good. Here's the old throwout bearing. That thing was shot. That's where that spring goes, right there. So anyway, all right, well, okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you later. Bye.